Have you ever bought a nose hoop online and when you saw it, something just looked wrong? Maybe it looked too big, maybe it looked too tight, or maybe it looked perfect on someone else but not on your nose. This happens a lot with nostril hoops, and usually the problem is not the jewelry style. It's the fit. The first reason is inner diameter. Inner diameter is the space inside the hoop. Even 1 millimeter can change the whole look. A 6 millimeter hoop can look very snug. On the right piercing placement, it can look clean and minimal. But if your nostril piercing sits a little higher, 6 millimeters may look too tight. A 7 millimeter hoop usually gives a small, neat look, but with a bit more breathing room. An 8 millimeter hoop often gives a softer, more classic curve. It can be a safer choice if you are not sure what size you currently wear. And a 9 millimeter hoop can work better if your piercing sits higher, your nostril is wider, or you prefer a more relaxed look. The second reason is piercing placement. Two people can both wear an 8 millimeter nose hoop, but it may look completely different on each person. If your piercing is closer to the edge of your nostril, a smaller hoop may fit well. If your piercing is higher up, you may need a larger inner diameter to get the same visual effect. The third reason is nostril shape. Photos online are helpful, but they are not a perfect size guarantee. Everyone's nose shape is slightly different, so the same size can look snug on one person and relaxed on another. So if your nose hoop looks too tight, it may be that the inner diameter is too small for your placement. If it looks too big, it may be that the inner diameter is larger than the look you wanted. The best way to choose is to think about the look first: snug, balanced, or relaxed. At STEPOY, we make 14K solid gold seamless hoops for healed piercings in precise inner diameter sizes, from 6 millimeters to 15 millimeters, so you can choose the fit more carefully instead of guessing. Because the right nose hoop should not just be beautiful, it should look right on you.